Poison candy only with cheese puffs. Okay, my brother's gonna pick now.
Close your eyes.
Okay, I'm closing them. I'm closing. Pick your candy. Your puff.
Done.
Done? Okay, look away.
Done.
Look.
Done.
Okay, done. Okay, you go first. Safe.
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 Okay. Poison candy! You got the poison. Okay, we're gonna do another round right now. Don't mind the ketchup thing because we were doing like ketchup almonds earlier. Yeah. So now my brother's gonna pick. Okay, pick your poison. I'm closing.
That one.
Okay, you picked? I pick. Look away! Look away, turn around. Okay, let's start. Yeah.
Okay.
Safe.
Okay.
Poison. Okay, we're gonna do another small round. Okay. I'm gonna close my eyes, pick your poison. Did you pick it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Look away, let me pick mine. Turn your head around. Okay. Start. Safe.
Okay.
Oh. Poison. Anyway, that's this poison thing series. Anyway, comment down below if you want more. Bye.